Good morning, children. I'm so pleased to welcome you back to school today. I hope that you had a wonderful break over the Easter holidays, and I am so looking forward to hearing all of your news. The theme of my assembly today is the character strength of gratitude. What is gratitude? Gratitude stems from the Latin word gratus, which means pleasing or thankful. Other words that you could use instead of gratitude are thanks, thankful, appreciative. In positive psychology, gratitude is strongly and consistently associated with greater happiness. Gratitude helps people to feel more positive emotions, relish good experiences, improve their health, deal with adversity, and build strong relationships. Now, how can we begin to show and feel more gratitude?
Do you ever think about what you're thankful for? Well, you should. When we remind ourselves of all the things we are thankful for, great things come to us. On this episode of Rocket Kids, we talk about that and I give you 10 things I am thankful for right now. I'm Aspen, and let's get this started. Being thankful is important. We can be thankful for our parents, our family, and our home. Being thankful is also called gratitude. It takes practice. When we can be grateful for the things in our lives, even the little things, we can begin to change the way we think. We can shift our thoughts away from what we think we are lacking to what we have in abundance. Yeah, we start to see how awesome everything is and how great life can be. Did you know that gratitude leads to happiness? Who doesn't like happiness? I know I do. So, here are 10 things, big and small, I am grateful for right now. Trees. Yeah, trees. They give us oxygen to breathe, and when we breathe, we live. And living is a great thing. They bloom in the spring and make wonderful colors in the fall. Trees. Cake. Cake is good. It means it's your birthday, a special occasion, or maybe you're having cake just to have cake. All I know is cake is so good. Emojis. We can communicate with words, symbols, hand gestures, and facial expression. But nothing is as much fun as emojis. Sleep. There is nothing better than cozying up under the covers. I'm snuggled all tight. My hands have pulled the covers up under my chin. My head is resting on my favorite pillow. My mind thinks about all the awesome things that happened in my day. Then, off I go. Sleepy time. This leads to waking up. And that's next on my list. Mornings. Some people have a hard time getting up in the morning, but we should be grateful that we have the chance to do amazing things each and every day. So, get up and go do something awesome. Speaking of awesome, ice cream? What's not to like about ice cream? I go to a place where you can mix your flavors and add everything from sprinkles to gummy bears. Who wouldn't be thankful for gummy bears on ice cream? Vacations. What's not to love about vacations? You get to go places, see things you've never seen before, spend time with your family, relax, have fun, make memories. Vacations. Good stuff. Kittens. They're funny, cuddly, and playful. If you've ever been around a kitten, you know what I'm talking about. Enough said, kittens are good. Nice people. Thank you, nice people. Thank you for not being mean. Let's all work to be a little nicer. And last but not least, high fives. Why high fives? We give high fives when something is going great or we did something extraordinary. And you need 2 people to high five. So you are sharing this awesome moment with someone else. This makes high fiving fun, and I am grateful for high fives. So, that's my list of 10 things, big and small, I am grateful for right now. Remember, gratitude takes practice, so make it a habit of thinking about all the things you are grateful for. What are you grateful for right now? Let us know by commenting on this video. We would love to hear from you. Don't forget to subscribe.
Well, here's my list of 10 things that I'm grateful for, linked to my Easter break when I spent a lot of time outdoors and walking. Number 1, having beautiful mountains to climb in South Wales. Number 2, my eyesight, which allows me to appreciate the beautiful views. Number 3, my trusty companions, Rolo and Paul, who I get to enjoy the walks with. Number 4, my healthy body, which is able to climb up and down mountains. Number 5, the peace and serenity and the luxury of being able to sit quietly at the top of the mountain, nowhere to be and nowhere to go. Number 6, clothes that keep me warm and dry. 7, a flask of hot coffee to drink at the top of the mountain. Number 8, maps that ensure I get back home safely. Number 9, a warm house to come home to. Number 10, a hot bath to ease my aching legs. This week, I'd like each of you to reflect on what you are grateful for. Can you think of 10 things that you are grateful for? Maybe you could write them down in a list or start a gratitude jar or journal. Remember, by practicing gratitude daily, we become happier and healthier.
Everybody gets a heart, everybody gets a soul, everybody gets a mind to let them know that we can be smart, that we can be kind, that we can be living by giving and loving all the time. So on the days when it's feeling tough and it seems like you don't have enough, well, let's be thankful for our friends and family and grateful for the air that we breathe and appreciate everything that we have today. Let's be generous to anyone who has less than us. It's good to be compassionate, 'cause ever since the day you were born, yeah, we've got a lot to be thankful for. Yeah, we've got a lot to be thankful for. Everybody gets the land, and everybody gets a seed. So everybody lend a hand to those in need. 'Cause we can be nice,
We can be nice.
we can all share. And we can keep growing together, it's better when everyone cares. So on the days when it's feeling tough and it seems like you don't have enough, well, let's be thankful for our friends and family and grateful for the air that we breathe and appreciate everything that we have today. Let's be generous to anyone who has less than us. It's good to be compassionate, 'cause ever since the day you were born, yeah, you got a lot to be thankful for. Yeah, we've got a lot to be thankful for. So, what are you thankful for?
I'm thankful for my family. I am thankful for my neighbor. I'm thankful for my dad. I'm thankful for the food I have. I'm thankful for my heart. I am thankful for my grandma and grandma. I'm thankful for my teacher. I am thankful for my house. We're thankful for the earth.
So on the days when it's feeling tough and it seems like you don't have enough, well, let's be thankful for our friends and family and grateful for the air that we breathe and appreciate everything that we have today. Let's be generous To anyone who has less than us, it's good to be compassionate. 'Cause ever since the day you were born, yeah, you got a lot to be thankful for.
Thankful.
Yeah, you got a lot to be thankful for.
Grateful.
You got a lot to be thankful for.
Appreciate.
Yeah, you got a lot to be thankful for. Alright, you got a lot to be thankful for. Yeah.